Hi there, students. Potable or potable? I think personally I would say potable, but both are possible. Okay, this is an adjective talking about water that is good for drinking, that you can drink without getting sick. Okay, so I'm not sure how potable much of the water that comes out of our tap is actually potable. Yeah, it doesn't have to be water though. Something that's suitable for drinking. Yeah, potable water, clean and safe for drinking. Okay, so this water is potable. It's something that is safe for you to drink. Um, let's see. I was wondering about whether you could use this metaphorically, as in, I don't know if this idea is potable to you. The dictionaries don't say anything about it, but I think as a metaphor it sounds quite good. But that's maybe a little bit on the formal side. Potable, so something that is fit to drink. Yeah. We will at the party. We're going to serve wine and other potables. Very often, this is used for beverages, especially alcoholic beverages, alcoholic drinks. Okay, so potable, fit for drinking, drinkable. Yeah, I think one of the reasons that man has this affinity for alcohol is, I think, thousands of years ago, or even much less, most of the water around wasn't potable. And if you fermented it a bit, then that killed nearly all of the bacteria and people didn't get sick. So I think that's probably where the concept of alcohol came from. I think fermenting yeast in water to make a little bit of alcohol in it is one of the easy ways to make water potable. Yeah, let's see. I'm going to put some sugar in this tea to make it a little bit more potable. Formality. Potable water. Let's see, informally, I'm going to say drinkable. I'm going to give this a 6.5 in formality. Just about use it in a semi-formal conversation. Semi-formal writing is better, or a formal writing as well. And then as to origin, this comes from Latin potabilis, from potare, to drink. So potare, bilis, capable, able, worth doing. Okay, so potable water, potable water. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Potable or potable.